How to disable auto-deletion and delete old conversations on iPhone. To disable auto-delete old conversations on iPhone, you first need to open Settings on your phone. Here, you can access all the basic and advanced changes for your iPhone. Now, scroll all the way down to the bottom. Tap on Apps. Here, you will see a list of applications. From here, you need to select Messages. Once you're in, you will see options and settings like this. Then, scroll down and find the Keep Messages option. Now, select the option Forever. You can also choose the 30-day or 1-year option. Keeping messages for 30 days or 1 year will permanently delete older messages. So by following these simple steps, you can easily disable auto-deleting old conversations on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.